This is how to display a variable onto some text in GDevelop. First thing you need to do is add a text object. You can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it score, resize it, and you can put whatever in the text and then drag it onto scene. Once you have your text, then go to your events, and where you have your collision event under the action, search up variable and do change variable value, and then add or edit variable. We'll be using global variable. Now add a variable, call this whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it coins, and then apply. And then select that and do add 1. So now if we play it and collect coins, it'll add 1, but we need it to display on the text. So we'll do text, score, and then set to global variable string, and then the variable name. Make this your variable name. And now if we preview, the score goes up each time you collect a coin. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, check out one of my other tutorials.